Hello, welcome to yet another video of Acharya Nidana Academy. In this particular video, we are going to discuss Rasa Vriddhi and Kshaya Lakshana and their application. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When the Rasa Vriddhi Kshaya Lakshana are being explained, the textbook says Dosha Prakriti Vaisheshyam Niyatam Vriddhi Lakshana. If any kind of the Lakshana which is having the sign of increase in the body, that may be either in one guna or two guna or multiple gunas, then we are going to say the person is having the vriddhi. Here, as such, the Ashtanga Hridaya says, Rasu api shleshmavat. When it is being mentioned, that is indicative of Rasa Vriddhi Lakshana are having the similar Lakshana which are being observed when there is Kapha Vriddhi present in the body. When you think about the Kapha Vriddhi, Shleshmagni Sadana Prasekalasya Gauravam Vaitya Shaitya Shathangatvam Shwasakasati Nidrata. Agnisadana, reduced appetite. Praseka, excessive salivation. Alasya, lethargy or laziness. Gaurava, heaviness of the body or body parts. Vaitya, that is whitish discoloration. Shaitya, that is coldness. Shrathangata, that is looseness of the body or the body parts. Swasa, that is breathing discomfort. Kasa, cough. Vitta sputam. Atinidrata, excessive sleeping. Along with that, sthairya, that is firmness of the movement. Avasada, that is sluggish movement of the body. Tandra, drowsiness, and sandhi vishlesha, that is friction between the joints, that is not due to the friction between the joint surfaces, that is mainly because of the obesity. The same thing is the description available in Ashtanga Sangraha Sutrasthana. Nisadana. The term Agnisadana refers to Agnisada or poor digestive fire. So here this particular Agnisadana that can be attributable to either increase of Madhura, Amla or Lavana Rasa substances in excess, or there may be the possibility of excessive increase of consumption of either Snigdha substances or Guru substances or Manda, Sthira substances, etc. or due to the excess increase of or intake of Shitavirya substances. All these are responsible for the poor digestive function. Praseka, excessive salivation. Alasya, lethargy or laziness. Gaurava, heaviness of the body or body parts. Shvaitya, that is whitish discoloration of the body or body parts. Shaityata, that is increase of the coldness in the body. Shlathangatva, avayava shaithilyam, that is what is considered to be sluggish movement of the body parts. Shwasa, that is considered to be breathing discomfort, what we can say. Kasa, cough with sputum. Atinidrata, excessive sleep. Stairyata, that is firmness in the movement of the body parts. Avasanadaha, that is physical or mental exhaustion. So that is, or we can say the fatigue. Drowsiness, that is considered to be the tandra or the state prior to sleep. Sandhi vishleshaha, the friction between the joints But here it is not due to the joint pathologies, it is something related to the due to the excessive obesity there. Srotasam pidhana, that is obstruction observed in the srotasas. All these are indicative, that is altered state of consciousness. All these are considered to be Rasa Vriddhi Lakshana as such, whereas the Rasa Kshaya Lakshana, that is indicative of Rase Rauksham Shramaha Shoshu Glani Shabda Saishnuta. Rasa Kshaye Hritpida Kampa Shunyata Hritrishnacha. This is the Sushruta's description. Raukshya, that is the Sneha Abhavaha. So it is normal healthy skin, so here it is a dry skin, which is indicative of a Rasakshaya. That is Shrantata. By doing the activity, if the person is having the exhaustion, that is considered to be Shrama or Shrantata. Shoshaha, that is dryness of the body parts. Glanihi, without doing any of the activities, if the person is getting the exhaustion, that is considered to be glani. The shrama, where the person is doing the activity, then he is getting the exhaustion. But here he is not doing any activities and still he gets the exhaustion. That is what we can say glani. Shabda sahishnata, unable to hear the words as such. Hritpida, or any discomfort related to the Hrit or Hridaya Pradesha, they are considered to be Rasa Kshaya Lakshana. To sum up, abnormal proportion of Rasa Dhatu that are identified by abnormal functions. Increased activities will be identified by the Lakshana, which is indicative of increased proportion of Rasa Dhatu, whereas decreased proportion of Rasa Dhatu is identified by the Rasa Kshaya Lakshana. This can be attributable to the abnormal proportion of the either one or more guna of Rasa Dhatu. When there is exposure to kapha vitiating etiological factors, we are going to observe the kapha vriddhi lakshana, but we are going to observe the Rasa Vriddhi lakshanas also. That can be observed either generally or locally. In other words, the macromolecules which are present in the alimentary canal or in the intravascular compartment, they are being considered to be observed under Rasa Vriddhi Lakshana. And less concentration of macromolecules in the alimentary canal or in the intravascular compartment, that is indicative of a Rasa Kshaya in the body. Dear ANA community members, that is what we have discussed today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Something more in the next video. Thank you.